Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from Diamond Art Gift. So I don't know if any of them are different sizes to others, so I'm just gonna start opening them. Oh, that must be the one I opened to determine what company it was because it's already been sliced open. Oh, yes. So this one is just a gorgeous river scene. It caught my eye. I think I'm really waiting for spring. I do really like spring. I am very much drawn to flowers and nice sort of fresh looking pictures at the moment. But this is a 30 by 40. It has 22 different colours. It does have DMC numbers and it is a round. And if I just peel back the plastic cover, it'll just help just a little bit for those creases to come out. Though I do find with the poured glue paintings, all you really need to do is just put it under something that's heavier and it comes out so quick. The creases do really come out. I love these daisies across the bottom. I think they're gorgeous. Okay, so the actual diamond painting size is about 34 by 24. And you can see why this one's around, I think. Because sometimes to get some of these really small daisies, it's actually got 4 symbols around it, but the actual canvas behind it, or behind those, the bit that peeks out when you put the rounds together, has actually got the colour of the middle of the daisy in it. So I don't think it would work as well in a square. You would definitely need a bigger image. But we have some absolutely beautiful colours in this. We do have a couple of lighter colours as well. Of course, we do have the light skyline and the river, but absolutely gorgeous greens and blues in that one. And you do, of course, get a toolkit. Number 2 that I haven't opened because I determined which company the package was from. So number 2 is also a 30 by 40 and is also quite springy. I tell you, I do. I get in these phases when I'm diamond painting shopping. So this one also has 22 different colours. It does have some 310, which is mainly sort of the tree branches. But then it has some beautiful greens, blues and pink looking colours for this one. It is 34 by 24 in size. Off to the park, anybody? And that is the colours that you get in this one. So look, we've got that nice pop of pink. We've got the yellow and the greens. We've got some browny beige. We do have some white as well. But in general, really nice colours. We've also got that gorgeous pale blue. And that one does also come with a toolkit. Okay, was I on a full spring diamond painting session or not? Maybe I decided to change it up. Let's see what caught my eye. No, we're still on spring. Different type of spring, but we're still on the sort of springy type colours. This one is a square, so it is a little bit different. If you do like your square diamond paintings, it's a nice small square diamond painting. Quite often the square ones are bigger, but this one's still a nice small one. Pink and purple flowers. Beautiful. It has 23 colours in this one. It does come with DMC numbers. It is 24 centimetres by 34. And look at them. Look at all those purples, pinks, pale greens, a little spot of yellow. Of course, because the middle of the daisies do need a yellow, but primarily a lot of pinks and purples, with some grey for shading and some beige. Oh, look at that purple. Very nice. Oh, I like that. Symbols are really clear. You can see, of course, the grid lines because it is a square. That's what normally prompts me to being a square, that the canvas is different. But when you step back, look at that image. Okay, so we have a spring session going on today with my choices from Diamond Art Gift. I will pop the links down below if you fancy a little bit of springtime yourself. Thank you so much to Diamond Art Gift for sending me these to be able to showcase to you all. And I hope you're having a lovely weather day wherever you are. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.